Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the whiteboard feature in Zoom. If you don't want participants to use the whiteboard during meetings, you can turn it off in just a few steps. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to Zoom website at zoom.com. Sign into your Zoom account and click on Settings in the left panel. This will take you to the Zoom setting page where you can manage various meetings options. Next, scroll down or use the search bar to find the whiteboard option. You will see a setting that allows you to enable or disable the whiteboard feature. If it's turned on, participants can use it during meetings. To disable the whiteboard, simply toggle the switch off. Zoom will automatically save your changes, and this setting will apply to all future meetings. Now participants won't be able to access the whiteboard during your Zoom sessions. And that's it. Now you know how to disable the whiteboard in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.